Hello, hello, and welcome to class with Mama Mimi. Today, we're looking at new toys. Which ones? Let's see the brand. Smart Toys and Games. They have different toys. Mama's favorite toy is, boom, the SmartMax. These are magnetic, they stick together, and you can build different types of things, like a house, or a store, or a car garage, whatever you want to do. And he likes toys too. Which toys does he prefer? Let's see. It's a sticky monkey. Go to MAMAMI.com for more resources, more information, and toys that Mama Mimi likey. Mama Mimi likey.